of the most notorious sex predators ever in the United States of America. And they asked him, they said, what made you target, or what made you go after a specific child? He went after boys, girls, black, white, Hispanic. It didn't really matter. He went after them all. There wasn't a specific demographic he focused on. And the most amazing thing he said, I looked at the father, and if the father wasn't a threat, I would go after that child. That blew me away. He didn't even look at the mother. He looked at the father, and if the father wasn't a threat, so I've started telling him, hey, be a threat. That's a good thing.